The Logitech 220 Malawian Kwaches is a compact and affordable wireless keyboard and mouse combo designed for general home or office use. Here's a breakdown of its key features and specifications. Desktop computer Logitech 220 Malawian Kwaches keyboard and mouse combo overview. White heavy checkmark general features. Type wireless combo keyboard plus mouse. Model 220 Malawian Kwaches. Connectivity 2.4 GHz wireless with USB receiver. Unifying receiver is not supported. Operating range up to 10 meters, 33 feet. Keyboard K220. Layout compact full-size layout. Includes number pad, but keys are slightly compressed. Design sleek and space-saving, about 36% smaller than standard keyboards. Keystroke type, membrane keys, soft and quiet. Function keys, F1, F12, with some multimedia shortcuts, may require FN key. Battery life, up to 24 months, 2X AAA batteries included. Other notes, no backlighting or programmable keys. Computer mouse, M150/MK220 model mouse. Type, compact wireless mouse. Tracking, optical sensor. DPI, standard, no adjustable DPI switch, typically around 1000 DPI. Buttons, 3 buttons left, right, scroll/will click. Battery life, up to 5 months, 2 XAA batteries included. Design, ambidextrous, basic plastic build. Laptop computer compatibility. Operating systems, Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Linux kernel 2.6+. Limited support on Chrome OS and Mac OS. Some keys may not work as expected. Plug and play. Yes, with USB nano receiver, no software required. Battery management. Long battery life with auto sleep function to save power. Indicator light on mouse for battery status, not on keyboard. Package, what's in the box. Wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, USB receiver, 2 AAA batteries for keyboard, 2 AA batteries for mouse, user documentation, shopping cart pros, affordable price, long battery life, compact size, reliable wireless connection. Warning, cons, no backlight, no DPI adjustability, not suitable for gaming. Compact key spacing may not suit all users.